This video is for March 5th. Welcome to yes2hellwith.com. Here is another testimonial of a Yes to Hell With subscriber who is applying the Liberty Dialogues to personal situations. Now, before I quote this person, I invite you to note her posture and what kind of work she does. Moreover, she has been frequently kicked off Facebook for speaking truth, and she's presently not able to comment on Facebook. Here is what this subscriber said, quote, "I've been examining legislative bills so I can give intelligent and non-emotional testimony, and I truly appreciate your work since it is grounded on facts and lawfulness that helps me dig into legislative bills for the hidden agenda of taking power from the people by presuming authority when none exists," end quote. Now, if this person can use the Liberty Dialogues to establish that no authority exists from the legislative perspective when they craft their crafty bills, how powerful would the Liberty Dialogues be for your personal life? Now, I will have a call this Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for those who have the SOU for You package and want to learn how to apply ChatGPT or AI to your research. If you are interested, send me an email and mention Liberty Dialogues in the subject line. I will send you the call credentials. Be sure to prepare your good faith beliefs, by the way, in writing. Go to statementofunderstanding.com, and as always, may truth reign supreme.